ran into some more wildlife. Almost at the top of Peak 8. And there it is. And there's a couple of babies with the mama. And I'm probably gonna run them off, but there they are. There's two of them. One there, and where'd they go? There they go. One and the other. And there's the mama. There they are. You can barely see them. The camouflage in well. And there is where he came from. Oh, here comes another one. He's missing his mama. Oh, he's taking it down. Get it, little buddy. Oh, there's more. Hey, guy. He's literally like almost on my shoe. There he is. There he goes. And he's still eating. He doesn't care that I'm 2 feet away from him. They all don't. They're all just hanging out, eating food. Very cool. All right.